Hi everyone, today we are going to show you more details regarding the thermal performance of max-covered cooling, our latest thermal technology on the RTX 30 series graphics cards. We will show you the thermal performance comparison between old and new cooling designs, as well as the GPU core clock and temperature observations of both the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme and the RTX 3080 Founders Edition. First, let's check out how the new MaxCovered fan stacks up against the previous fan design. For this test, we've used professional testing equipment that allows us to put the old and new fans under the same heat source and fan speed and see which fan design performs better. The test results show that the new MaxCovered fan design is able to dissipate more heat and promises lower temperatures after 10 minutes of use under the same heat source. Now let's see how the new AORUS graphics card compares with the Founders Edition. First, let's look at noise. As you can see, despite having one extra fan, the AORUS Extreme still generates less noise compared to the Founders Edition. Now, let's see how the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme performs in some real-world scenarios. First, we had both the RTX 3080 Extreme and the Founders Edition running firm mark, and check the temperature and GPU clock. From this chart, the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme maintains a higher GPU core clock at around 1950 to 2030 MHz. We ran 3D Mark TimeSpy next. The data shows that AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme can keep the GPU clock at a higher level while keeping the temperature low. The highest GPU temperature of the RTX 3080 Extreme is around 65 degrees Celsius. Now, let's look at some gaming benchmarks for a few AAA game titles. The first game we chose is Red Dead Redemption 2. The AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme can boost the GPU clock up to 2070 MHz and maintain a temperature of 67 degrees Celsius. The next game is Shadow of the Tomb Raider. The AORUS RTX 3080 could keep the core clock at a higher level, around 2055 MHz, with a peak temperature of 67 degrees Celsius. The last game we tested was Metro Exodus, which is known for its beautiful graphics. Under the benchmark mode, the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme could successfully manage the GPU temperature of no higher than 65 Celsius for the whole test, while boosting the GPU clock up to 2070 MHz, which is 100 MHz higher than the Founders Edition. So as you can see, the brand new MaxCovered cooling not only delivers better thermal capabilities compared to its predecessors, but manages the core temperature well and is able to boost the clock to a higher level, allowing for better overclocking capabilities. If your GPU is cooler, then your entire system will also be cool. So, with its outstanding thermal and superior performance, the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme is definitely the card you should take a look at if you are considering upgrading to the RTX 30 series graphics card lineup. We hope this video helped you learn something new about the AORUS RTX 3080 Extreme. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.